Let's make bakery style Kesar-Pista and orange biscuits. Begin with beating room temperature butter and powdered sugar using a whisk until it turns light and fluffy. Looks good. Now add pure vanilla extract and beat again. Divide the butter mixture into two as we are making two different flavors. For the Kesar-Pista cookies, our dry mix consists of Maida, custard powder and milk powder, some ground elaichi or cardamom and kesar, a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients first and then combine with the butter. Add half teaspoon or more of milk to form into a dough. Looks great. Chill in the refrigerator. Next up, for the orange mix, combine together maida, custard powder and milk powder and some freshly grated orange zest. Mix it with the dry ingredients to perfume them with the orange zest flavor. Combine with the butter along with a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of baking powder and enough milk to turn into a dough. Both the doughs are ready. Now let's shape them. We're making a special spread for the Kesar-Pista cookies, for which we take some milk, powdered kesar, powdered sugar and milk powder along with a drop of orange food color, which is optional. Mix well. Roll out the dough and smother the top with the prepared spread and top with some slivered almonds and pistachios. Roll them into the dough so that they stick to it and don't come off, and cut using a cookie cutter of shape of choice. Perform a similar process for the orange cookies as well, and carefully we'll lift them and place them on a lined baking tray. Look adorable. They bake at 160 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes and they're done. I like to drizzle some melted dark chocolate on the orange cookies along with some orange sugar, which is simply orange food color mixed with some caster sugar. Store in an airtight container and enjoy. They turn out super crisp and flaky, just like the ones you get from a bakery. Thank you for watching. Do try out the recipe and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!